All right, so here we are now testing icons and buttons. So let's see here as the last time we have this panel that's 2 meters from us, from me, and this is 1 meter from me, from the user. Okay, so let's see. first thing First thing we can see here, so we took this baseline 64 pixels as a guideline. That's the button size Google recommended back in 2017. So things have changed as we can see here, because first thing we can notice is that this is so big, and if I've put together the large, medium, small accordingly from this guideline, and even the small is so big. So we could. That's important to know, because this could work even as the big one and as a large or medium. It's 46. We have to work on that. So let's see in the next test how we can manage this. Let's see. Another thing I can notice is that that the difference between, as you can see here, the black text and white text, these two text styles, both of them are semi-bold, and the difference is obvious. This one seems bolder and even bigger. As we said in the last video, the letter spacing will have great impact here, and the color as well. So it's like it's bothering me that the same variant and looks so different. So it's semi-bold and in black and white, and the black looks thinner and this looks so bold. And that's something that maybe we have to come up with a button system that use just one color, either white or black, because even when you do the hover, it tends to get smaller. This effect it usually happens even in desktop a little bit in dark mode, but here is so obvious. It's I don't like it. We have to work on that. Then as for the buttons, yeah, that's I'm not seeing anything else so far. So let's go with the icons. Here are the material icons and feather icons. That's 1 pixel, 1, 5, and 2 pixels. And here these are materials, so it's 2 pixels. If we compare the visibility, these outline ones tend to get confused, tend to get tight, and the filled ones tend to look clearer. And with these ones, yeah, this one tends to lose its white, and here is kind of getting the white back. So I'd say I would go with filled icons in terms of Just it's a matter of clarity. If I had to choose, I would go with feather icons instead of material design with here, because the 2 pixels is, yeah, the black space is too thin. On the other hand, these ones look so clear. And then it was just about this, the first feeling. So then we should work on the sizes. So 24 pixels, it will depend on the button sizes as well as the text sizes. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm seeing here field ones, definitely, at least for in the beginning. Then we'll see if we can work on something to make it clear. And material design, yeah, they have kind of a lot of icons, so it's always useful using this library, and in my opinion. All right, so let's see next test how it goes with the adjustments.